guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to Jazomy home.
Come on in. We're going to be sharing with you like our house update slash fall house tour, something like that. We just want to share with you like all the stuff that we have. We move about
5 years. 5 years?
5 months.
We moved around 5 months ago, and we wanted to update you guys to so you guys can see how is the progress in our home,
what we have,
what we don't still.
We still miss a few furniture in our home, but it's okay. We just want to share with you what we have, and we want to read your comments down below. So make sure that you leave your comment and let us know what part of this house, like the style and how it's decorated, you like the most. So we're going to read your comments down below.
And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, because that really helps to support this channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media pages. We have Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and our webpage, Jazomy.com. We've been posting every single week on our social media pages, so if you want to keep in touch with us, just go ahead, follow us over there, and we have so much content to share with you. All of the links are always on the description box of every single video.
So what do you think if we start with the entryway, okay?
Of course. Here we are in our entryway. We made this amazing table a few weeks ago. It's one of our latest videos, and we actually make like a contest between Jazz and me to see whose decoration was the best. And even though I win this contest, Jazz decided to keep her decorations.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's fair or not.
For me it is.
but I win. I just want to make sure to let you know, guys, and also visit that link in the description box.
Welcome to this area. This is supposed to be like our dining room, but we don't have a dining table yet, and I don't think we're going to get one. It's just that we enjoy this place so much, and the kids can play, they run here. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know, it's kind of strange, but it's our home and we need to do like what is best for us. So yeah, no dining table, but a big space to play.
Yeah, we actually had plans on making our own dining table, but I mean, for moving it might be kind of hard, and since we are planning to move soon,
super soon,
so let's see.
And close to this space we have this little bench right here, and it works. I think it looks good. This area is completely empty, so I think it's good to have some kind of decoration in this area. And eventually we're going to be making, I'm not gonna tell you guys. You can see that in the next video, but we're not gonna tell you anything yet. So we have something that is going to be here, but later.
In our fireplace. This fireplace, we made it in our apartment actually. Our apartment ceiling was a little bit lower, so that's why this piece over here is kind of lower than the ceiling. But even though we decided to put it over here in this area because it's near the entryway and we like how it looks, we decided to put it basically the same way it was in our apartment, but we add some other decor items like these baskets, like a rug in the bottom. Now that it's fall, we have some crates and pumpkins. And also, these wall art right here, we normally change it depending on the season that we are.
I do
now
so many DIYs.
Yes, and basically every single area here is decorated with DIYs that Jazz make on her channel.
Yeah.
So this is one of them. We decided to put it over there. No, normally we have a wreath on Christmas, so we change it between
Seasons.
We made this plate rack in our apartment too. It was perfect in the apartment and it looks perfect in here too.
Close to the kitchen.
Close to the kitchen, same thing as in here. We change all the decorations depending on the season.
Kitchen, the heart of the home. Welcome. Okay guys, in the kitchen we decided to do like a very simple decoration because we use this space so much, and we just add like some decoration here some pumpkin, and over there we add that shelf, we put some foliage and just things to make it look a little bit better.
Basically our kitchen is like kitchen, our dining table, our school area too.
Yeah, that's normal. I think everybody does that, right?
I don't know.
I don't know, but we have like some stools here or chairs that we use all the time, and that just, I don't know. This is our kitchen, this is how it works.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
Well, the living room is basically the second place of this house that we use the most,
Yes.
other than the kitchen, because as
And the bedrooms.
The kitchen is basically like the most used area in this house.
Yeah.
We do everything over there. So here is where we spend the most of the time with the kids. We watch movies. We do our sleepovers over here.
Camping.
We even do campings. So this is our second favorite area in this house.
And
This
we
is
love how
also
it looks.
a table that we DIY. This
Yeah.
is actually our last video. If you haven't watched it, just go ahead, go to the links below. We got this furniture from IKEA. We bought some stuff at Ross, Home Goods.
Everywhere.
It's a mix from everywhere, even DIYs, of course.
Yes, but everything on a budget. Everything on a budget.
So clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
This is the other part of our living room that you never see. Is where we have our TV and everything. We have plans to change these in the future. Maybe make like a makeover here, but take it easy, take it easy. We are working with what we have, and I just add some decorations here. And in this area, we add these. What is the name of this?
Ladder.
Ladder. Oh my god, that we DIY also. A blanket, and if you saw, just to make it perfect now for fall and cozy. decorate that area like 2 days ago, so I'm going to share that with you too. This is the area that I decorate, and I actually like it. It was completely empty, and I decided to add like a frame and a small shelf that we used to have in the apartment, and just some things on the floor. This is the area that you can see when you come from the garage. I decorate this area super neutral. It's completely different from what we have like in the living room, in the dining room, and I like that because it's different from the other spaces.
Bathroom. We decided to keep this bathroom with neutral colors. Everything is like green, black, and some natural colors like the foliage. We had some decorations, obviously DIYs that made by Jazz in her channel, like this wall art right here. We use it also in our bathroom makeover that we did last year in our apartment. This kind of decoration with these colors make it look like clean and simple, just the way we like. So guys, if you get to this part of the video, thank you so much for being here. We really hope you like this video, and if you enjoy, please, as always, a big thumbs up. That really helps us to support this channel. Yes, it will help a lot with the YouTube algorithm that is pretty hard to work with. So please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and also to comment down below.
Comment down below which part of this home is your favorite, and you can follow us on all our social media pages. Guys, we are posting so many behind the scenes and so many stuff on Instagram and our webpage.
Our webpage, especially in our webpage. We keep posting weekly on our webpage too.
Our Amazon favorites, things that we love, DIYs that we made.
I mean,
so many things. We just hope that you like this video, that you enjoy this time with us. We just want to share what we have and welcome you guys to our home. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Love you.
In the next one.
Wait. See you in the next time. Bye guys.